How to make a steam weed killer. Weeds crop up in every garden, every year. You can spend a weekend rooting up weeds by hand only to discover new weed plants the following week. To combat weeds without introducing chemicals into your yard or spending a lot of money on organic weed products or a commercial steamer, use water, steam and boiling water combat weeds by heating them to the point where plant cells die. Steam is hotter than air or fire, so it works to kill weed plants quickly. Things you'll need: electric steamer, pot. Fill an electric steamer with water. Plug the steamer into an outdoor electrical socket and wait for it to heat up. Carry the steamer unit over to your weed patch. Hold the steamer wand over the area and depress the steam button on your unit to shoot steam at the weeds. Steam the weeds until they are doused with hot vapors. Repeat this process on all weedy areas. If you need to move the steamer to another outlet or use an extension cord, do so. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then remove it from the heat. Pour the boiling water over weeds growing in your walkway or driveway. Covering the area will kill all plants, so this method works best on surfaces such as driveways that attract weeds but not grass or desired plants. It will take a couple of days for the weeds to shrivel up and die. Tips warnings. If you don't have an electrical steamer, try using an iron with a steam function, but be aware that the iron itself will get hot.